Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Studio Jen, where I talk about AI tools and new technology. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use free AI tools to create your own business card. All you need is a free account of Canva. You can sign up to Canva using my link in the description below. Again, this is 100% free. So we'll open up Canva, and at the top here, we're going to type in business card and then press enter. So first, we're going to find a template that we like before we use some AI tools to make our business card more professional. Here, beside all filters, scroll down and make sure that you select free. Because if you don't have the pro account of Canva, we want to be able to make a beautiful business card for free, then click apply. So this is going to show you a bunch of amazing templates that we can add in our own information, and we're going to use AI to create a beautiful custom pattern to go along with our business card. So let's click on this one here and click customize this template. So even though this is a template for a makeup artist, we can change this and add in our own information. The first thing you want to do is change this picture with a picture of yourself or your logo. And to do that, go over here to uploads, click on upload files and upload a picture of yourself. Then you'll click on the picture and drag it and drop it to replace it. Now you'll want to reposition the picture. To do that, double click on it and then just adjust it. And you can adjust these nodes to resize it so that you are nice and centered. Now you'll want to replace the information with your own information and just double click on the text and you can change the text type and you can also change the text size and click on text color and change the color so it matches your brand. Once you've changed the font and color, you may want to change the colors of these elements. So click on the element that you want to change the color of, then click on the color box, and you can click on this color wheel to select whatever color you want that matches your brand. And then you can go ahead and change the color of all the elements so they match this one. Now, if you want to change the color of these icons, you can just click on them, and once again, click on the color boxes to change the color icons. Now, let's say you don't want there to be a heart here and you want to change this to another icon. Just click on elements. We can type in website, for example, and then click on see all under graphics and choose one of the icons that does not have the pro symbol. So you can use a free icon. Let's say this one, for example. I'm going to change the color to white, and then you can just make it smaller by adjusting the nodes and erase this icon as well. You could erase this little frame if you don't like it, and then just put that here. Now I'm going to add a little phone icon, and you can put your phone number or change these to something else if you wanted to make it your email or something like that as well. So now is the fun part. We're going to use AI to create a beautiful background. I first want to erase this background. Just click on it, then click the delete key. I'm going to erase these elements as well by clicking the delete key. And we can change the background color by clicking on the background and changing it to white or something like that. But we will be adding our own pattern background that we create with AI. To do that, click here on apps. At the top here, we're going to type in Magic Media. Click here on Magic Media. So here we have text to image. First, we want to select aspect ratio. We want a nice landscape size pattern. There are so many types of patterns you can create. You can ask the AI tool to create a geometric pattern, a watercolor wash, a gradient background, a textured background, pattern lines or stripes, nature-inspired, vintage, or retro, and this will change depending on your brand. So let's do an example. I've said create a soft geometric style background with purples, blacks, and grays for a business card. You can select the style, go to see all and see if there's a style that you like. I just want to see what Magic Media will come up with on its own. So I'm going to go ahead, click Generate Image. You can see here that you can use up to 35 credits with the free account. So that's plenty for us to be able to create our business card. And you can see at this side here that Magic Media has come up with 4 different designs. One of them is actually like a mock-up. So what we can do to view these and to download them is here, click on Add Page. So this will give us a blank page. We have our front page of our business card, then the second page of the business card, the back, and then now we've added page 3. And this is just for us to be able to add these designs. So go ahead, add the design. You can see that the aspect ratio isn't perfect. So what we're going to do is right-click and go Set Image as Background, and that has filled it up. But you can see it's a little pixelated. Don't worry, I'm going to show you a free AI tool to fix that. Let's click Add Page again, and we'll add another one of the options that it created for us. Right-click, Set Image as Background. And this last one is a little different, but I'm going to show you what we can do with that. Right-click, Set Image as Background. And here it's given us a space that we could actually put our brand name or our logo, but all we need to do is erase this here. And an easy way to do that, go to Elements. Let's type in rectangle. Click on here, add a shape, add a rectangle. Adjust the size so it covers the text. Then click here on color. Go to add a new color. Click on the eyedropper tool and just choose this background color here. And now it's just erased it, okay? So why we've done this is I want to show you how we can download these images and improve the quality before we use them in our business cards. So let's go to the first one, page 3, go Share, Download. Right here, uncheck all pages and just select page 3 and then Done and then Download. So we're downloading all of these background images because we're going to upscale them for free to make it higher quality. Do that again with image 4 and 5. You could download all 5 together, but it will put it in a zip file that we then have to extract. So I like to just do it individually. And before you do this process, you could click Generate again if you want to try a different style, but I'm pretty happy with these. So we're going to go ahead and use these ones. Now make sure to add them to a new page and download them because you won't have access to these images if you keep saying generate again. So save the images before you generate more. So now we're going to use this website, Pixel Cut Image Upscaler. This is completely free. I have linked you to this tool in the description below. Just click on Upload Image and upload the image that you want to upscale. So the free version allows you to upscale it twice. So we'll just click on the 2x, then click Download, and it will download that for us. Now we can go back and do that with our other files as well. So once you're finished downloading the improved quality versions of your AI patterns, come back to Canva, click on Uploads, click on Upload Files, and upload your better quality versions. You can upload all of them so that you'll be able to test out which ones you like best. So now what you do is just click on the pattern. We're going to right-click, go Set Image as Background, and then if you double-click on the image, you can adjust the positioning so it fits just as you would like it. So now we'll want to change the colors of the elements so it matches the background and change the text so we can see it better. So just click on the elements and you can adjust the colors of the elements and the color of the text. If we go to Elements and type in rectangle and add a shape, what we can do is add a rectangle behind our main text, right-click, layer, send backward again, and that way we'll be able to see our text very clearly. Of course, you'll be experimenting with different color schemes to see what looks best for your brand. You can also click on this frame and erase it, or click Edit Image and reduce the saturation so it's black and white, and so it doesn't clash with your new pattern. And you can play around with the elements, adjusting them as you like. And just like that, you have a beautiful, professional-looking business card with your own unique custom background. On the second page, you can go ahead and add one of your other patterns. You can even add an element like this microphone or something related to your business by clicking on Elements and adding that. And this is just one of the ways you can use AI to create your own custom patterns. I have this other example that I did, and I used Magic Media to create this really cool geometric style background that I placed inside a frame and used that as a background frame for my image instead of a solid color. This is just another example of how you could use a custom AI background or pattern to give yourself a unique business card. And when you're ready to download, just click Share, Download, and go ahead and download this as a PNG file. You can download them both together and you'll have your business card ready to print, or you can even embed this in your email signature, for example, to make yourself look that much more professional. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to Studio Jen for more tutorials like this one, and I'll see you all in my next video.